Go, 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 go. Move up. Cover me. Hey, grab that pistol.
Huh?
Grab that pistol. Hurry up, come back, come back. Here, get it in close.
What's thing?
Put it in your pocket. Give it to the ref after the game. Found it on the ground, man.
Huh?
Did you lose a pistol?
Oh, I did.
What was it?
The Black Ops CO2.
I turned it into the ref.